How to redeem credit card reward for cash on cheese. Redeeming cheese credit card reward for cash by logging into your app. First thing first, sign into your cheese online account or a cheese mobile app. After which, you want to go ahead and select your credit card account and go to your ultimate reward section. Next, you want to navigate to redeem section and select cashback. As you've done that, choose to receive funds by direct deposit into a checking or a savings account or as a statement credit to reduce your balance as well. Then you want to enter the amount to redeem and confirm the transactions, and that is how you could redeem credit card reward for cash on cheese. So likewise, if you cannot find these options or if you're unable to do this method, you could directly contact support, let them know about it, and that's how you can redeem credit card reward for cash on cheese. So with that being said, we have completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.